So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Farhan, and in today's video I will show you how to deploy and host your static website on Vercel in just a few minutes, and we can use GitHub for CI/CD automation. So we will go step by step from creating a Vercel configuration file, pushing our project to GitHub, connecting it with Vercel, and watching our website go live. So if you like ready to take your project from local to live, you can hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. Right. So here I have a simple static web page, just a few HTML, CSS, and maybe JS files. So and here you can see I have also used iframe. Actually, I have an AI powered chatbot created into vector shift. So it's a low code, no code platform where I have create a kind of orchestration of AI chatbot where I am using GPT-4o. So I'm using that chatbot into my static web page, kind of AI chatbot web page where you can provide any kind of topic, and the chatbot will do a truly research on that topic and provide you insight based on the topic you have provided. So as you can see, it's a AI research agent, and it can assist you discovering insights, answering research queries, and streamline your information search. So before we deploy, uh, just we need to create a Vercel configuration file to tell Vercel how to handle this project. So for that, you just need to create this vercel.json file into your project, and then you have to write config file. So you just need to define version. So I will use version 2, and then the auto compilation is suggesting me. Then it will go to build. Then src will be index.html. Then we will use vercel static. It's giving me vercel none, but it should be vercel static because it's a static web page. Yes, vercel static. And then we have to define routes, and routes will be this src and destination. And instead of index.js, we don't have js file, so we will just use $1. So that's it. So this simple config tells Vercel that we are deploying a static site, and it should treat our index.html as the main entry point. Now that our project is ready, we have to push it to GitHub. So because we are going to use CI/CD. So for that we have to push this uh, project into our GitHub repository. So I have already pushed it. You can see I have the source control here, and I have this kind of changes. So I've already pushed it to GitHub. So you guys can also use your terminal, and you can just initialize the git by git init, and you can just push your project into GitHub repository. So I've already pushed it. So if you go to my repository, so these files are present in my repository with the vercel.json file. Okay. So if you don't have a repository yet, you can create one, name it whatever you like. For example, my static site, or likewise, mine one is research board. So I have provided the name as NC research board using vector shift. So you can provide your name. So the next step is head over to the vercel.com. If you don't have account, just click on continue with Google. Everyone has Google account, so you can just use continue with Google. Super easy, quick. So let me just go to version. Okay, so go to login, continue with Google. It will ask for the Google account, and after that you can easily log in with your Google account into the version. So as you can see, I have this much of uh, project created on version. So I have already deployed this static web page. So for your demonstration, I will show you. You can go to add new project here. Okay, and once you are in and you have clicked on add new project, you can choose import Git repository. So here I have already connected my GitHub account. So you can connect your GitHub account, and here all the repository will be listed here. You just need to import whichever repository you want to connect with your version. In my case, that's NC Research Vector Shift. Just click on import, and it will automatically detect that it's a static page, and you can keep all setting as default for now. So I'll show you. Okay. So framework preset, we have Angular, Astro, lots of all the major frameworks are there. For our static web page, we just need to choose other. By default, it's already selected other, and our root directory will be this. So we don't need to edit this kind of setting. We'll just leave all setting as default for now, and just click deploy. And when you click deploy, just sit back for a minute and let the magic happen. And in just a few seconds, Vercel build and deploy your site automatically. And you can see your static web page is live within a few minutes on the internet, and it will provide you a URL where you can click the URL, and you can see your static website is live. So for me, I've already deployed this here. So after deployment, it will look like this. And there are some information about this. So status will be shown as ready, and then the branch where it's connected, and you will get your domain. If you hit on this URL, you can see your static website live. So in my case, you can see this is the static web page with embedded vector shift AI bot. Here I can query for any topic, like I can ask latest AI news in October, just say 2025. And by the way, the bot name is Alex. Yes. So here we can see Alex has a bit concise summary report on latest development in artificial intelligence as of October 31st, 2025. That means today date is October 31st. So It has performed the research based on the current date. So you can see breakthrough optical processor, and then Stanford's tiny eye chip, AI for arthritis care, artificial neurons, OpenAI news feature, AI in manufacturing, Cameo app lawsuit, impact on employment. So these are the major highlights, and also it's like suggesting some of the popular question that the user may ask related to the topic which I've just asked. What are the top AI breakthrough in 2025? So within I think few minutes we are from a local running static website to live static website. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can ask me into the comment, and like don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.